Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix text within a cell. So let's get started. Begin by opening Microsoft Excel and accessing the spreadsheet where you would like to work with text. Click on the cell containing the text you want to fix. Now navigate to the Home tab and in the Alignment group, you will see the Rough Text button. Click on it to fix the text. After Enable Text Roughing, you may need to manually adjust the row height to fix the text. To do this, hover over the row boundary at the left of the row number, then click and drag to adjust the height. Your text will now be fixed within the cell. Well done, that's it. Now you can fix text within a cell. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.